Hey everyone, this is Sherrie Toth at Apple Valley Lake. I am with REMAX consultant group Toth Team, and one of the most common questions that we get is how the heck do I find a lot that is for sale at Apple Valley? And this is we can't have signs on those lots, so this is a quick tutorial to show you or to give you a good idea where those lots are located that are for sale. So what you want to do is you first want to get your hands on a list of the properties that are for sale, and our team keeps up on that stuff, so we could send you something like this. As a matter of fact, this is everything that is listed today at Apple Valley in the Knox County MLS. And the first category is the address, which really is the lot number and the subdivision if agents are consistent. That's how they'll put that in. The second address should be the street that it's located on. So there's 16 subdivisions in Apple Valley, so the street may not necessarily be the subdivision. For example, this last one here, or second to last one, lot 528, Apple Valley is the subdivision, and it says 0 Crabapple Drive is where it's the street that it's located on. So it says 0 because it's a vacant lot. The house number has not yet been assigned, and that particular lot is $15,000. It's in that higher range because it says that it's Lakeview. Okay, within the MLS, the yard is usually the view. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to get this list, and you definitely need that parcel number. And we're going to go ahead and highlight that parcel number of that second to last one there on Crabapple Drive, 528 Apple Valley Subdivision. It tells us that it's a Lakeview, so we're going to highlight that and copy it. Then what you want to do is you want to go over to the Knox County Auditor site, so it's knoxcountyauditor.org. And you're going to go ahead and go up into this quick search box, and you're going to go ahead and paste that in there and submit it. Now, the first time that you use this website, it might bring up another page that says you have to agree to its terms. So you just hit accept, and then it'll go ahead and from that point on, go ahead and give you the information that you're looking for. So here is that lot 528 in the Apple Valley subdivision. We're going to click on that parcel number, and it brings you up to a page that gives you some basic information about that lot and who owns it, where they live, where the tax bill's going to. But you're going to click on this map, okay, so we can find that lot. So you can take a drive by it and check it out and see if it's something that you're interested in. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to go ahead and bring the lot up. And what you'll love about this, it gives you the dimensions of the lot. I usually X out of a lot of this stuff, so you get a really nice clear view. And you can use this little, over on the left-hand side, you can actually pan in and out on that lot, okay? And you can see that this lot definitely has a lake view, so it's really close to the water also. Now you could have some obstruction because there's a house and I can see some trees there in front of it, but there most definitely is a view there. So it gives you the street that it's near, so it's two lots away from Jonathan Court. It's on Crabapple Drive. But a lot of times what I do is I will go ahead and click on a house beside it. So we're going to click on the lot. You're just going to tap it, the lot that's right to the right of it, and there you go. That is 406 Crabapple Drive. So you can put in your GPS 406 Crabapple Drive, drive to 406 Crabapple Drive, and you're going to know that lot has 60 foot of frontage, and it is right to the left of it. Okay, and it's between two houses there. So that is the best way that I have found to find lots. It's not perfect because once in a while there'll be two vacant lots between a couple houses. So you have to know that it's the one next to a particular house and the frontage is 65, that's the average, and just it'll give you a good idea where it's at. The best way then to locate it is to have a professional surveyor pin that lot for you. The pins are actually there, but they'll stake it for you so you know exactly where it's at. And that typically costs about $200. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give our team a call. We'd love to help you at Apple Valley. Thank you. Have a great day.